What truly stood out in this year's report was the emphasis on holistic growth and community engagement. It's clear that you are not just maintaining standards but courageously innovating. Your forward thinking approach is truly preparing our students for the future. Thank you, sir. We deeply appreciate you sharing the highlights and the future goals of our institution. A big round of applause once again for Principal Sir.
Please note everybody, there's an announcement. There are two cars in the parking which are blocking five other cars way. So we would like to request the parents to remove those cars. The numbers are GJ03MR 2198. I repeat, GJ03MR 2198. And the second car is UP78Y 3712. I will repeat, UP78Y 3712. We would like to request the parents to remove these cars, please, as they are blocking others' way. Thank you.
We are about to witness something truly special and unique tonight. While our annual day has already been filled with incredible performances, get ready for an experience that breaks all the rules of traditional music.
Now imagine a fusion of sounds, rhythms, and beats that will take you on a journey you have never quite heard before. And who better to guide us through this musical adventure than the talented students of our very own Delhi World Public School Musical Band? They are about to perform a set of unconventional music, blending genres and styles that will surprise and delight you. So let's give a big round of applause to the incredible band as they bring their unique sound to the stage. Let the magic begin.
Audience, please clap with the rhythm. Please clap with the rhythm, audience. Feel the beats.
Clap for them. Such a wonderful performance.
बच्चों ने तो आज स्टेज में सच में आग लगा दी. I was completely captivated by that performance. You have a remarkable gift for connecting with the piece and delivering a truly moving and eloquent interpretation. That was a stunning experience. Your ability to translate the music into such a beautiful and understandable emotion was genuinely impressive.
आज मैं आपके सामने एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने वाला हूँ. यह हार एक विराम है, जीवन महासंग्राम है. तिल तिल मिटूंगा पर दया की भीख लूंगा नहीं, वरदान मांगूंगा नहीं, वरदान मांगूंगा नहीं. स्मृति सुखद प्रहरों के लिए, स्मृति सुखद प्रहरों के लिए, अपने खंडरों के लिए यह जान लो, मैं विश्व की संपत्ति चाहूंगा नहीं, वरदान मांगूंगा नहीं, वरदान मांगूंगा नहीं. क्या हार में क्या जीत में, किंचित नहीं भयभीत में, संघर्ष पथ पर जो मिले यह भी सही वह भी सही, संघर्ष पथ पे जो मिले यह भी सही वह भी सही, वरदान मांगूंगा नहीं, वरदान मांगूंगा नहीं. लघुता ना अब मेरी छुओ, लघुता ना अब मेरी छुओ, तुम हो महान महान बने रहो, तुम हो महान महान बने रहो. अपने हृदय की वेदना के लिए, अपने हृदय की वेदना के लिए मैं व्यर्थ त्यागूंगा नहीं, वरदान मांगूंगा नहीं, वरदान मांगूंगा नहीं. चाहे हृदय को ताप दो, चाहे हृदय को ताप दो, चाहे मुझे अभिशाप दो, कुछ भी करो कर्तव्य पथ से किंतु भागूंगा नहीं, वरदान मांगूंगा नहीं, वरदान मांगूंगा नहीं.
Sorry parents, due to some technical issues, our grade 11 students couldn't complete their performance. But, they are coming again to grace the stage with their truly energetic performance. Please welcome them once again. Come on grade 11 students, the stage is yours this time.
जटाटवी गलज्जल प्रवाह पावित स्थले गले विलम्बितं भुजंग तुंग मालिका टमट्टमट्टमट्टमन्निनाद वड्डमर्वयं चकार चंड तांडवं तनोतु नः शिवा हर हर शिव शंकर नीलकंठ गंगाधर आए शरणम तिहारे ज्ञान ऐसा विशाल बैठे हो मृग नैन छाए माथे चंद्र विराजे तनना ना 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 तनना ना 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 तनना ना 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 तनना ना 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 तनना ना 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 तनना ना 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 ना
जटाकटाह सभ्रमभ्रमण्यलिम्ब निर्झरि विलोल वीच वल्लरी विराजमान मूर्धनि धगद् 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 ज्वलल्ललाट पट्ट पावके किशोर चन्द्रशेखरे रति प्रतीक्षणं मम
धराधरेन्द्र नंदिनी विलास बंधु बंधुरा स्फुरद्दिगंत संतति प्रमोदमान मानसे कृपा कटाक्ष धूर्णी निरुद्ध दुर्धरापति क्वचिद्दिगंबरे मनो विनोद में तु वस्तुनि
जटाभुजंग पिंगला स्फुरत् फणामणि प्रभा कदम्ब कुङ्कुमाधवा प्रलिप्त दिग्वधूमुखे मदान सिन्दूर स्फुरत् वगुत्तरीय मे दुरे मनो विनोद वर्धितं विभर्तु भूतभर
हर हर शिव शंकर कालकंठ डमरूधर काशी कैलाश वासी मृत्युंजय भूतनाथ दानी अवतार हो दर्शन कल्याणकारी तनना ना 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 तनना ना 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 तनना ना 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 तनना ना 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 तनना ना 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 तनना ना 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 ना
आई गिरि नंदिनी नंदित मेदिनि विश्व विनोदिनी नंदनुते गिरिवर विंध्य शिरोदिनि वासिनि विष्णु विलासिनि जिष्णुनुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्य प्रपर्दिनि शैलसुते आई गिरि नंदिनी नंदित मेदिनि विश्व विनोदिनि नंदनुते गिरिवर विंध्य शिरोदिनि वासिनि विष्णु विलासिनि जिष्णुनुते आई गिरि नंदिनी नंदित मेदिनि विश्व विनोदिनि नंदनुते गिरिवर विंध्य शिरोदिनि वासिनि विष्णु विलासिनि जिष्णुनुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्य प्रपर्दिनि शैलसुते
Come on, parents, clap for them. The students didn't just dance, they embodied the sacred spirit. To capture both the blessings of Goddess Durga and the might of Lord Shiva on a single stage with such beauty is truly extraordinary. The line, every step becomes an act of worship, truly elevated the depth of this opening. A very poetic expression.
कागज की एक नाव बनाते, कागज की एक नाव बनाते, पानी में फिर उसे तहराते, थोड़ा रोते, जल्दी हंसते, पल भर में फिर सब बिसराते।
छोटे छोटे हाथ तुम्हारे करते रहते कुछ ना कुछ काम, दीवारों पर रंग बिखेरते बिना किसी रोक टोक सुबह शाम।
गुस्सा भी प्यारा लगता है जब फुलाते हो गालों को, मासूमियत भरी जिद करते भर देते हो खुशियों से सालों को।
तुम हो सपनों की मीठी दुनिया जहाँ फिक्र का नाम नहीं, जी भर जियो यह बचपन प्यारा जो फिर वापस आता नहीं.
Now get ready for an extra dose of sweetness and sunshine. It's time for the youngest stars of our school to take the stage. We all know that life is a beautiful journey full of little moments of joy. And who better to remind us to cherish every second than our super energetic, talented, and most adorable students from the pre primary classes? They are here to share a message of hope, happiness, and simply loving the life we have through a performance set to the upbeat and uplifting song Love You Zindagi.
जो दिल से लगे उसे कह दो हाय 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 हाय. जो दिल ना लगे उसे कह दो बाय 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 बाय. आने दो दिल में आग जाने दो. कह दो मुस्कुराहट को हाय 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 हाय. जाने दो दिल से चले जाने दो. कह दो घबराहट को बाय 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 बाय.
Love you zindagi, love you zindagi, love you zindagi, love me zindagi.
कभी हाथ पकड़ के
Parent, please clap for them.
चल ले कभी हाथ चुरा के मैं तेरा चल दूं. मैं थोड़ी सी मुड़ी हूँ तू थोड़ी सी टेढ़ी है. क्या खूबी
Encourage them, encourage them.
मेरी. आने दो दिल में आ जाने दो. कह दो मुस्कुराहट को हाय 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 हाय. जाने दो दिल से चले जाने दो. कह दो घबराहट को बाय 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 बाय.
Love you zindagi,
Clap, 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 clap.
love you zindagi, love me zindagi.
Wow.
A truly charming and sweet performance. Your energy and happiness made us feel the joy of Love You Zindagi. Thank you, little stars, for spreading the magic on the stage.
Such vibrantly, a joyful sight. Your tiny steps were pure and light. You moved with grace, you moved with flair, showing us love that fills the air. The music flowed, you kept the pace, with smiles upon each happy face. For this sweet dance, so neat and strong, we clap for you where you belong. Thank you, little stars.
Today we are going to talk about something we all see around us, cell phones. Now cell phones can be really fun. We can play games, watch videos and even talk to our friends and family. But do you know what? Sometimes we can use our cell phones too much and it can make us forget about playing outside, reading books or spending time with our loved ones.
We all love them, but sometimes if we use them too much or in the wrong way, they can make us tired or make us miss out on playing outside. So, for our segment called My First Step, we want to welcome our youngest friends, our pre-primary students, to the stage. Let's give a big loud clap for our little stars as they come up to tell us how they plan to be smart and safe with their phones. Please come up, children.
Welcome to the बंदर शो। एक जमाना था जब 3 बंदर सिखाते थे, बुरा मत बोलो, बुरा मत देखो, बुरा मत सुनो। अब और एक बंदर है, मोबाइल वाला बंदर, जो कहता है किसी को ना देखो, किसी को ना सुनो, किसी से कुछ ना बोलो। और ये बंदर आप सबके घर पर राज कर रहा है और हमारी ही नज़र के सामने हमारी पूरी जिंदगी बदल रहा है। सही कहा ना?
नजर के सामने जिगर के पास, नजर के सामने जिगर के पास कोई रहता है, वो हो तुम।
बाप रे, इसने तो हद ही कर दी है। सबकी नींद चैन सब चुरा लिया है। भाई साहब, अब जरा चैन से सोने तो दो।
मैंने तुझको देखा, तेरी और दिल फेंका, परी तू है बन की, कहना है नजरों का। मैंने तुझको देखा, तेरी और दिल फेंका, परी तू है बन की, कहना है नजरों का। चांद को कॉम्प्लेक्स दिया है तेरे चेहरे ने, तेरी ब्यूटी का नशा है दिल को लगा छूने।
बड़े हो या छोटे, सबको एक ही चीज पसंद है, वो है यह उल्लू बनाने वाला मशीन। तो भी इसके अलावा और कोई चीज पसंद ही नहीं आती। क्या मस्त चीज है ना?
Little stars of free primary, you are simply adorable.
Hey.
Your dance on the cell phone thing was so creative, cute and full of
Clap, clap for. अरे अपने बच्चे हैं, clap तो करना चाहिए, हाँ? Clapping must be there.
Little stars of free primary, you are simply adorable. Your dance on the cell phone theme was so creative, cute and full of energy. You showed us how much fun and color the digital world can have. And you all remembered your steps so well. It takes real talent to dance and move like little apps. Thank you for bringing so much joy and brightness to the stage. Let's give these tiny tech wizards and incredible dancers the biggest round of applause. Come on everyone, clap for them!
Hello everyone, I'm Shania Harsora.
And I'm Moksha Kanda. We'll be a host going forward.
Today, we are about to embark on a beautiful journey where we will lose ourselves in the sweet memories and the tunes of the past. Bringing these questions.
So let's welcome our students from grade 6 to 9 who will take us back to those golden tunes where every song, every note and every word will remind us of the joy of our childhood. These are the moments we will never forget. These evergreen songs will bring nostalgia, joy and warmth to every generation.
सुरों की गलियों में यादों का शहर बसा है. सुरों की गलियों में यादों का शहर बसा है.
With this note, let's welcome choir group of DWPS on the stage. Let the red crowd jump for this evening with golden vibes.
Your performance evokes such sweet nostalgia.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
हेलो.
हेलो अजय, दिल पे हाथ रख के बोलिए, ये 8-10 गाना में किस किस गाना पे आप लोगों ने काम किया था और किस किस का दिल धड़का था? ये जेनजी पेरेंट है ना, 80-90 वाले पेरेंट है ना हम लोग ना, हाँ? तो ये कुछ गाना जोड़ पाए कि नहीं अपने लाइफ में, कि आप लोग ये गाना गाए थे कि नहीं गाए थे? कितने लोग ईमानदारी पूर्वक 2-4 लोग हाथ उठा दो। वाह, बहुत ईमानदार हो आप लोग। अपने लोगों से जुड़ा हुआ गाना इसलिए हमने याद दिला दिया। ले बेटा।
Your performance evokes such sweet nostalgia, reminding us of cherished memories and the timeless charm of those classic melodies, from the elegant staging to the flawless delivery. You paid a magnificent tribute to the age of vinyl records and everlasting grooves.
Thank you for bringing back those irresistible beats and making us feel joyful blasts from the past.
Do you know, Moksh? Jungle Jungle Baat Chali Hai was the iconic Hindi theme song for the 1989 anime series The Jungle Book, which first aired in India on Doordarshan in 1993. The lyrics are by the legendary lyricist Gulzar ji and the music by Vishal Bhardwaj ji. It became a defining part of a generation's childhood, evoking nostalgia for Sunday mornings spent watching the show.
Yes, I know, Shania, but why are you telling me this?
Because the jungle is alive with the sound of music. And today, we have some special little explorers ready to show us the wild side. We are going to witness the jungle where the mighty Mowgli, wise Bagheera and playful Balu live. And now, our very own UKG students are ready to take the stage and share the fun with you. So ladies and gentlemen, please welcome them some noise. Come on everyone, clap for them.
न जाने क्यों आज मेरे जहन पर एक अनजानी महक छा रही है। लगता है यही कहीं कोई इंसानी पिल्ला है।
पेड़ों में ताली बजी, पेड़ों में ताली बजी, पत्तों की सीटी बजी, अजी हंसी मची बच्चों की। मोर गिलहरी हिरन सुनहरी उछल रहा है। जंगल जंगल बात चली है, पता चला है। जंगल जंगल बात चली है, पता चला है। अरे चड्डी पहन के फूल खिला है, फूल खिला है। अरे चड्डी पहन के फूल खिला है, फूल खिला है। जंगल जंगल पता चला है, चड्डी पहन के फूल खिला है। जंगल जंगल पता चला है, चड्डी पहन के फूल खिला है। मेंढक मेंढक कौआ कोयल, कोयल कौआ मेंढक मेंढक सब सुनते हैं कान लगाकर। शेर खान जब बोले अपनी पूंछ उठाकर। कालू काला बघीरा लेकिन दूर खड़ा है। अरे चड्डी पहन के फूल खिला है, फूल खिला है। अरे चड्डी पहन के फूल खिला है, फूल खिला है। जंगल जंगल पता चला है, चड्डी पहन के फूल खिला है। जंगल जंगल पता चला है, चड्डी पहन के फूल खिला है।
जब अंधेरा हो जंगल में शेर खान घूमता है, उसके हुर्राने की दहाड़ वो भी सुनता है। ये है जंगल बुक, यही है जंगल बुक, यही है जंगल बुक, यही है जंगल बुक। बागीरा और बलू अपने करतब दिखाए। ये है जंगल बुक, यही है जंगल बुक, यही है जंगल बुक, यही है जंगल बुक।
मैं मोगली हूँ और ये मेरा घर है।
और ध्यान रख पुत्र, घबराने की लोड़ नहीं है, ठीक है?
Wow, you were the best little animal on that stage. Your dance was so full of energy. It looked like you were having the most fun in the whole jungle. I think you made the whole audience feel like they were dancing in the jungle too.
Hello. Check.
Those tunes that still touch the heart, they aren't retro songs. They are the sweet memories of the past time. There is no noise in these songs. There is peace. There is simplicity and the intoxication of evergreen love. In today's fast-paced world, retro songs are that feeling of stillness that gives peace to the heart. Whenever these tunes play, it feels like time has gone backward in a beautiful era.
Get ready to be transported into the magical world of Hindi cinema as we invite the DWPS orchestra team to take the spotlight.
The melodies, they are here to enthrall us with a magnificent medley of iconic Bollywood filmy song, including the timeless melodies of Teri Galiyan, Galiyan, Teri Galiyan, Zooby Dooby, Zooby Dooby,
Didi Tera Devar Devana,
and the wedding classic Mehndi Laga Ke Rakhna.
Please welcome the DWPS orchestra team to the stage. Let the music begin. with such passion and precision. You truly captured the spirit and emotion of those iconic Bollywood classics.
Friends, students, faculty, and esteemed guests, we have just celebrated another year of growth and achievement. But the true measure of our institute's success is not just who walks through our door, but who walks out and what they achieve. जहाँ से सफर शुरू हुआ था वहाँ लौट कर आइए. आपका विद्यालय आज भी आपका घर है. It is with immense delight and profound respect that we extend a warm welcome to our distinguished alumni on the occasion of this annual day celebration. Seeing you here today connects us to our past and shows the long tradition of school. You remind us of the great history you helped create.
The things you have done since you left are a huge inspiration to the students here who are here now. We are really proud to have you return for this special celebration. Our school's true architecture is built not of brick and mortar, but of the enduring success and unwavering loyalty of its alumni. Welcome home.
Now, I would like to invite our today's alumni on the stage to say a few words.
Miss Loka Patolia. It is a moment of immense pride and honor for the Delhi World Public School family to celebrate the outstanding academic achievement of our distinguished alumni, Miss Loka Patolia. Miss Loka has successfully completed her MBBS from the prestigious NHL Municipal Medical College, Ahmedabad in March 2025. A remarkable milestone that reflects her unwavering dedication, perseverance, and commitment to excellence.
Miss Sara Bua, we are equally delighted to honor another shining star of our alumni family, Miss Sara Bua. For her commendable academic accomplishment, Miss Sara has successfully completed her Bachelor of Homeopathic Medicine and Surgery BHMS from the esteemed Rajkot Homeopathic Medical College, Parul University. Her achievement reflects her strong academic discipline, dedicating to holistic healthcare and a deep sense of responsibility towards the well-being of society. Welcome, ma'am.
Good evening, respected principal, teachers, and my dear juniors. Myself, Sara Bua, proud alumnus of this wonderful institution. Coming back to my school feels like coming back home. It fills my heart with immense pride, gratitude, and countless memories. Standing on this stage gives me mixed feelings of being emotional and proud. Years ago, I was standing here with a comparing speech in my hand in a dance costume, ready to anchor the show and then later on give a dance performance. And today, I am standing here with my alumni speech that is not prepared by my teachers, but yes, surely they made me capable of giving one. This institute has played a significant role in shaping my personality and guiding my journey. From 2008 to 2017, what an incredible journey it has been. From taking oaths for the junior sports secretary to being senior sports secretary and later on being prefect. Being a member of cabinet has always given me the confidence and values of leadership that is giving me that is important for life. From being in every dance performance to learning sitar, from comparing in functions to participating in each and every competition and lots more. This school has a rhythm of its own of balancing both studies as well as co-curricular activities. While studying gives you knowledge, activities build your mind for the practical approach. This school has given me that golden period of my mind, of life, which will always be preserved in my heart. I have made such an incredible group of friends here, without whom I can't imagine my life. And what to say about our faculties? They are the real pillars of our success. They believed in us even when we doubted ourselves. Their guidance and discipline have shaped our future. Whatever we achieve in life, the credit will always belong to them. I see many of my teachers here who once taught me to write, learn good values, taught me to walk in confidence, be helpful, show gratitude over others, and I guess the list will go on. I have only one statement for my teachers. If it wasn't for you all, I wouldn't have been here today, holding this mic, giving this speech, and giving life a head on. This school has taught me the importance of honesty, respect, and perseverance, and I will carry these values wherever I go. To the students sitting here today, I want to say this: value your time in school, participate in activities, ask questions, make mistakes, and learn from them. Success does not come overnight, but hard work, discipline, and honesty will always take you forward. One day you will return as an alumni, standing here with pride and sharing your own journey. At last, I would say, this school has given me everything and beyond, and being the dip side, I will always be there to support my school and stand by it whenever needed. Thank you.
Good evening, respected teachers, dear students, and the extended DPS family. Hello, I'm Shloka Patolia, and I'm a proud DPS alumnus. It feels incredibly special to be back here today, where so many of my roots were planted. Especially standing here today giving this speech, because many years ago I was standing there at the podium introducing the alumni guest and anchoring for the journey function. So standing here today as an alumnus, it makes me realize that life really gives its full circle moments, and it's beautiful. When I joined DPS, I was a timid, shy, underconfident girl who feared getting rejected or getting things wrong more than trying it all. But this school has a very unique way of shaping you, transforming you through the teachers who believe in you, who broaden your perspectives, and the activities and the curriculum that pushes you out of your comfort zone. Some of my most memorable lessons were learned outside the classroom actually, while I was serving as the Narmada House captain and later as a prefect. Participating in house competitions and the activities, sports day, and the jitters, the chaos before the competitions, it all was very fun, yet it also taught me the roles of leadership, teamwork, and responsibility. I owe a deep debt of gratitude to my teachers. They were more than educators. They were mentors, motivators, and most of the time silent believers. Many of the values I carry today as a doctor that has like discipline, integrity, compassion were nurtured right here within these walls. The most precious thing the school gave me were my lifelong friendships. I can fortunately say that all my school friends are just one call away, and they have been with me through everything, the highs, the lows, and everything in between. To the students here today, my message is simple. Work hard, very hard, yes. But don't forget to have fun. Participate, make memories, laugh, and truly enjoy school life. These years will pass quickly, but the experience and relationships you build here will always stay with you. And finally, remember that DPS is a lifelong family. Never hesitate to reach out to your seniors and alumni. We are always here to guide and support you. Thank you for welcoming me back to a place that has given me so much, and it will always feel like coming back home. Thank you so much.